Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying both devices. Power the keyboard and enable pairing mode so the iPad can find it. On the iPad, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep this screen visible. This prevents the connection attempt from timing out. Make sure Roblox is closed or backgrounded so the system-level pairing isn't interrupted. Once the keyboard broadcasts, you'll see its name appear. Don't tap Roblox yet. Stay in Bluetooth settings to complete the pairing step first. You now select the keyboard name in the iPad Bluetooth list and confirm pairing. If a code appears, type it on the external keyboard and press Enter to authenticate. This prevents spoofed devices. After pairing, make sure the iPad recognizes the correct keyboard layout. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard to confirm language and layout so symbols match your inputs. Once configured, test typing into Notes or Safari briefly, because that gives you confidence. You launch Roblox and tap a chat or search field to verify the keyboard inputs correctly. This confirms both connection and in-app behavior. If keys lag or disconnect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect the keyboard. Make sure other Bluetooth devices aren't interfering. If problems persist, repair the keyboard, reboot the iPad, or check the keyboard's manual for firmware updates. These steps often fix compatibility quirks. One key troubleshooting tip: try another app to isolate whether the issue is Roblox specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.